the full monolithic zirconia. The patient will come today, like to see me. Then we can try in the patient's mouth. Then I can give you the more detailed informations. There's another great long span cases. So stay tuned for that. Here's another unique case, which is 7 implants. The anterior is the no implant actually. So first we made a good verification jig, or doctor have to verify the model, either one. So if doctors verify the models, so they can discount from us is quite a bit, because we have to order the temporary cylinder like this. Okay, so make the label and then send it out to doctors. If it's not fitting, and doctor have to section it, and then they have to re-cure it with acrylic or light cure materials. So they have to must verify this, otherwise it's not going to fit. We're going to make the one all integrated metal framework called Syton 7 star, because we have to make it really thin, and also it's a huge panic, just like you see this one. That's why. So before we go that directions, so we made 30 models with good impressions. We doctor had the old denture tools, so we made the wax try-in from the doctor made the unique one. Putty from doctor provided. It's like this. Okay, and doctor tried the patient's mouth. They want kind of the more girly looking, especially it has more space in between the tools. That we has evaluated picture by picture side view, and we call E, just like, okay, we step down the lateral and could harmonize from the curve from central. Another patient's right side view, and then here's the extracted is entire view. Okay, so this is the wax try-in based upon this. And then we made a good penadent bite from the doctors provide us in the horizontals face bow. So we made this. Here is the frame design. You will going to see a lot of my frame design, a lot of cases. Excuse me, a lot of my K7 stars designed from either machine fabricated or hand fabricated, which is we call UCLA, put it in the implant abutment. This case, unfortunately, we have to add a little bit more facial gum area. That's why we made a good smile view. Fortunately, she has not a lot about this contour, so maybe slightly open underneath. Okay, and then we just protect the 7 implant, and to get the final one. Okay, so 1 and then 2. So I'm using the preheat is an exceptional driver, which is I got sponsored from them. So here is the multiple we made it, the model, just make sure they all fit it together. So just wanna fit all together. Get out the here. You see, this is the key. So we must fit perfectly. Like this, yeah. You see? All right. So not only this is make, like I said, so we have to make a little bit the cut. It might be I can trim a little bit the other side here, just a little bit, which is we grind it quite a bit from here. Okay, we quite a bit here grinded. So it looks like this is a borderline. It's a pros and cons. For aesthetics, I have to leave it. So which is a little bit overjet. So we're going to cover the porcelain. Okay. So now ready to go. This is Syton 7 star. So we're going to opaque. You saw my video. And opaque, we usually I put it 2-3 times degassing because this is chrome cobalt. So we're using the 950 Celsius, the degassing. And then top of that, after opaque, we scan and design again to make individual restoration except here. So make them more thicker, so make individual anterior too. Okay, stay tuned. Just recreate it. Repeat the contour. It's really sensitive about the emergence profile. Right? Just make sure this proper contour, proper bulkiness. That's why I'm trying to trim it. You saw this one. Now I have to make it better. Shine. And then smooth. And whenever we put the opaque, so we won't get the bubble. Because this is a metal ceramic. There's extremely high demand for this patient. They want perfect. I like the good contour. The problem is the here. So we have to make certain things. So we'll see. I'm going to make a little bit better. So I have to check the height. Compared to extra in. That's the key. Alright, so I was ready to opaque again. It's complicated, I know. Now this is finals. The full monolithic zirconia. The patient will come today, like to see me. Then we can try in the patient's mouth. Then I can give you the more detailed informations, which is the patients gave us this information from Instagram. So we can mimic. We did a really nice job about the flat, subtle surface texture with translucency, and step down the lateral canine pointy. So we fabricate it just like that. Alright, this is another beauty. And then one by one, so we make two for strength, single. Okay, there's another great long span cases. Now, the reason I see the patients, not only she's in Illinois, and also I would like to check the occlusion contact, because lower teeth, they a little bit problem. They have to, grinding, which is lower fake restorations, which is this. So we trim a little bit because it's really bulky, and I cannot increase the vertical dimension. I wish I can do that, but I cannot give them too much. So I have to trim slightly here. Another issue with the left, right side occlusion contact is different. This is high, this is low. So that meaning I cannot make high and low. I'm trying to make the good occlusion plane. I have to explain them with the aesthetic checkup. So stay tuned for that. One, two, three, four. This is 7-star case. Before we cementing is test driving. One more, the other back tools. Two teeth, yes. Thank you. Bite. Alright, so let me see the top. Okay. Alright, take it out. Now I want to see the top here. This is it's a very tough case. Guys, now this is convergence. Close. I dissolved the cemented, and it's final 7-star cases. It's done. You saw our old video in the patient's mouth. We kind of like a little bit longer, so we trim it. We just cut it up half 10 millimeter and more step down, and then we finish it. Finals still maintains texture, contour, and then we noticed that also here's pink gum color is a little bit brighter than compared to lower. So we just add with the darkness as well. So now we send it out to the doctors, patients. And patient has lower teeth is really dark, and with all restoration. So we make this maintain the occlusion plane. So they have to do lower plane. So that one is very thin. Final restorations, and also. This one is really long span cases. The final, this is the main thing. Is any other material zirconia will not going to work compared to this extremely thin. Okay, so it's only downturn is about hygiene, but they have to take it out. Other than that, it's great. 7-star cases accomplished with 7 implants, very thin cases, just like gorgeous. Using the soft good night guard, the patient can wear it. Thanks for watching Smart World video. Beautiful. This is the final.